I'm a street nigga that got motivated to make it out these streets don't love you, they'll take it. They tell you it's exciting, they don't tell you this shit dangerous. Get shot, you might not make it, that's the chances that you taking, nigga. Or get locked up and you might not make it back, I swear. I know some niggas locked up that ain't never coming back out here. I tell them close their eyes and picture they self anywhere, but when they open their eyes up, they still right there. That's a different pain, I swear. That type shit make me nervous. I could've been right there telling myself it wasn't worth it. They ain't support him while he was living, but they showed up to his service. He had no one to call, but now look how packed that church is. They told us be real niggas. Niggas that told us that wasn't even real niggas. You don't get shit for being real niggas, but we still sacrifice and we deal with it like some real niggas. For real niggas. I'm a street nigga that got motivated to make it out these streets don't love you, they'll take it. They tell you it's exciting, they don't tell you this shit dangerous. Get shot, you might not make it, that's the chances that you taking, nigga. Or get popped up, you might not be able to walk no more. Lot of niggas got popped up and them boys ain't never gon' talk no more. Lot of niggas ain't gon' breathe no more. Lot of niggas ain't gon' speak no more. It's too late to make a smart decision, they can't think no more. Nigga, we ain't never been no bitches, but we had to start taking life serious. A lot of niggas died over that instant, all they niggas did was post they pictures. Niggas ain't tryna sit in no prison, ask for pictures, tryna get visits. Thank God for whatever he give me, all this shit could be gone in an instant. They told us be real niggas. Niggas that told us that wasn't even real niggas. You don't get shit for being real niggas, but we still sacrifice and we deal with it like some real niggas. For real nigga, I'm a street nigga that got motivated to make it out these streets don't love you, they'll take it. They tell you it's exciting, they don't tell you this shit dangerous. Get shot, you might not make it, that's the chances that you taking, nigga. I'm a street nigga that got motivated to make it out these streets don't love you, they'll take it.